Going for a... You're lost, Diddy, you're lost. Where we going? Where we going? Huh? Say you ready? We out? Are you ready? We out? Are you ready? Hello. Hello everybody. Subscribe to the Big Hits. Oh, another one. Look, they got this one. But Woody, man, Woody's the dude. Bye, Woody. It's nice to see you. What you think about Woody, Diddy? Your little mohawk. Hello, sir. It's ready to go down. It's got to go down. Yep. Oh no, there's a fight going down in Target. It's the spider guy versus Big Head Diddy. Get him, Diddy. I got 1,000 on Diddy. This guy and spider guy. Diddy's mad. He's like, no, wait till I get him again. Get him munching. Pretty flowers. Beautiful flowers. I'm gonna jump in them. I'm gonna jump in them. We here. Get off the car. Diddy, we here. Ready to go for this hike? Let's go. We're gonna hike for an hour. Let's do this. Nature. Beautiful nature. Birdies. Which way should we go, Diddy? Left or right? Right looks like more hiking. Left looks like relax. Let's go right. Somebody forgot little Diddy's shoes. Big heads. See what's down here, fellas. Oh, I thought there was gonna be like some kind of lake. We're gonna find some water soon, don't worry. We will not stay without hydration. We will find water, guys. There's the big heads. There's the big heads. I found you. I was lost. Mr. Mohawk. What made you get a mohawk? Yeah. His mohawk is fading. There's a trail over here. Nah, this way. Come on, Diddy. We can make it. We're gonna find water. Yeah. We're gonna find water. Whew. Where the heck are we? Somebody help! 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 Lady, help me! Help!
What is it? Look, this is class, guys.
You see right there?
Yeah.
It looks like a smudge of poop.
Whoa! Back off! Back off! All right. Yo, get away from my baby! I would beat you up. Oh. Come this way, dale, vete. Woo! That was a big ass bee. That thing was like a bird. Woo. Huge bee. He had muscles. I don't like bees.
No, there you go, Janai. You can tell how old.
Alright, so she was trying to explain something about a tree, but
Oh.
this bee came in our way. Super big bee, like some kind of bee on steroids.
I need to find a tree that was cut open in the middle.
Oh, okay.
Alright, let's find a tree. Round record.
So the tree is cut open in the middle, and there's circles, like it goes all around the tree, and it says there's like 4 layers of the tree inside. That means it.
That's the
4 years.
Yeah, that's. Oh, you could tell the age of a tree like that. Yeah, I remember that from school. Can you tell me what this thing is? Mushroom. Yummy, yummy, yummy. No, no, no. You can't eat that. Guys, we're in the wilderness. And it's time to go. We've been here too long. Whew, look at that one running. We want to keep going, but baby's tired. Let's see what's up there, and that's it.
I don't even know where we are. We got lost.
We're lost. We've been walking too long. Oh, wow. Here comes the sun. Jeez, now you can really feel the sun. Well, we got poles, so we're close to civilization. Wow, I'm in the jungle. Can you imagine Tarzan comes by and he comes out like out of a bush, and he says something weird to us and we don't understand him. And then he pumps his chest and then starts fighting me for no reason. You guys better run. I'm gonna have to take care of Tarzan. Oh, we're on the mountains. We're in a mountainous region.
That trail's cool.
I know we're gonna find our way back to the car. Don't worry, car. We're coming. We will not get lost. We will not get lost. Hello. This is beautiful though. I love nature. Hey, I could camp right here. I could just set up a little camp and get me a little barbecue grill and camp out and eat some hot Cheetos and just lay right there, get a suntan and act like I'm Tarzan. We're gonna make it, people. Don't worry. We're gonna make it. Come on, Diddy. Move it. You wanna go on a piggyback ride? I got you. Let's get it, Diddy. I got you. I got you. He's a biter. He looks like Chicken Little. Nah, he looks like Chucky. Chucky. You know Chucky, that he's scratching my face. We found something. What the heck is this? Let's go see. Barbecue chicken. Let's go get some barbecue chicken. I want barbecue chicken.
Look up a campsite.
You can go camping right there. There's a whole circle of it.
Oh yeah. We found our way back.
They're open though during the nighttime.
Yo, you ever seen that movie Jason? Can you imagine we see Jason out here? Ooh. I remember Jason. I used to watch his movies when I was like, what, 10? Not even, like 8. He used to creep me out, man, because this guy is huge. He's a tall guy, and he has like, I remember he used to be able to like, you would run from him, and he would just appear like right in front of you, like, and you'd be like, what? How the hell he did that? He just ran away from him, and he was running for like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden, the freaking guy's in front of him.
And he never dies, right?
And he never dies.
What the heck?
I wonder if Jason is around here somewhere.
What?
We found our vehicle, Didi. We found our vehicle. Yeah. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed the nice little trails And we're about to go home and give you more content. We're about to go make some... I don't know what that is, but we're gonna make that. Yeah. And if you like the video, please keep following. We growing, baby. We growing.